guys, welcome back to my channel Bongnuchik and I'm Pallavi Das with you guys. So guys, today is another Nykaa haul video. So this is a Independence Day sale haul video. Though I bought this during the Independence Day sale haul, but I couldn't post the videos because the delivery was very late. So I got all my products now, and this is my essential products. Nothing is related to makeup or anything like that. So these are mine and my mother's essential products. Before that guys, if you want to see my this sexy hot rose gold date night makeup look, then go up to my Instagram and watch my IGTV where I have created this makeup look, and the direct link will be given in the description box below, so do not forget to check and follow me over there because I do upload a lot of makeup tutorials over there, which is very different to what I upload over in Instagram or YouTube. So further not ado, let's get started with the haul because I don't want to blabber a lot and make you guys bored. So let's get started. So guys, here is my package. Though I did not receive my packages in this box, this is the box which I received during my birthday. So this is basically, you get this box when you gift someone, like a gift wrap box. So I received this during my birthday when I got presents from my parents and my friends, everyone. So that time I received this box. So this time I got those normal cardboard box. So I have all my products inside this over here. So beginning only, you can see I have a lot of cotton balls. So the first and foremost thing, by the way guys, I do not remember the prices, so everything will be mentioned in the description box, or I'll try to mention it somewhere in the screen. So do check it. So do check the description box before leaving if you want to know like in what price I got these things. So the first and foremost, as you can see, is two cotton balls packets, and this is from Tulips. I was trying to get the Bella cotton balls, but it was out of stock, and I was in need of cotton balls because I do apply my toner with these kind of cotton balls, and it's easier to just press in, and these are really soft, so it's very much needed. So like me, my mom, my sister, everyone uses cotton balls, so it's very needed. So the next thing is cotton pads. So this is also I need to remove my eye makeup and all. So first I used to use wipes, but that is not good for the earth, so I started using these cotton pads, and these are really nice. These are from Bella Cotton Care. This is from Bella, and they have 100 pieces, and the cotton balls, they have 50 pieces each, and this has 100 pieces. I could only get one because there was no offer running on this, so I could get only one. So I'll try to get next in my next I'll try to get more in my next order. So these are very essential again. So the next thing, which is this Venus Gillette refills, and these are the aloe extracts one. So I had the Breeze one first, the purple one. I do have the razor still, but I thought to just change my refills because I want to use this one. I wanted to try this one, and I really like raising my body hairs better than waxing because it really hurts guys. I hate waxing. I prefer razors over waxing, or wheat, because wheat I do not like it, and it makes my like it gives me rashes, so I do not like using wheat a lot, and I really like using razors, and it is really safe guys. Do not misunderstand, like it's not safe, you'll have a lot of hair more. It's nothing like that. These are specially for women, so you're not going to get male hairs. The next thing is, this is not mine, this is my Masi's, and this is the Lotus Herbal Youth X Cineplex Anti-Aging Nourishing Night Cream. So this is how the packaging looks like. I'm not going to open this because I'm going to give it to her. So this is all wrapped, and this is the second thing. So you can see, if you can see the packaging, I can only show you the packaging. So this is that. The next thing is again for my Masi. This is the Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Biofluid Whitening Depigmentation and Tan Removal Face Pack. This is for all skin types. This is an amazing face mask guys. You can definitely get your hands on this. I have used like 2-3 tubs of this. This is really nice. It suits my skin. I have an oily skin. It suits my skin, and I am not like, I don't like the what whitening. They could give it like brightening other than whitening, whatever. I really like that they have that tan removal thing. It really works to remove your tan, remove your dirt. So I would really recommend you guys to try this out. Very affordable, so do give it a try, guys. Biotech products are quite nice for those who are just into skincare, like bacha log in skincare. So you can use this. And by the way, the Gillette, what I'm, and by the way, guys, the Gillette Venus razors, they have 4 refills in one this thing. So I thought to get it, so it's easier. The next thing is from Face Shop. It is the Herb Day Cleansing Cream, and this is for all skin types. This is in the variant Aloe Vera, and this is very needed for me because I had finished all my cleansing meals and everything. So I wanted to try a balm. I wanted to try the Plum Goodness one, but it was out of stock. So maybe I'll get after I finish this one. So this has a creamy formula. It doesn't have a balmy formula. It has a jelly creamy formula. Like, if you can see, guys, it's very jelly kind of. It's not very thick as well, so it's not at all thick, and you get a lid like this to cover it. This one, oh shit, I spilled it. Again, guys, this is really reasonable. So if you want to do like a double cleansing routine, so you can definitely give this one a try. I do not like using oils because I have a very oily and acne prone sensitive skin, so I do not like using oils on my face. So that is the reason I got this one. This is really light on your skin and really nice. So the next thing which I got is this Dot and Key Hyaluronic Serum Concentrate. So this is how the packaging looks like. This is such a pretty packaging, guys. You can open it like this and you get your product over here. Dot and Key has some really cute packaging. Like, I'll just show you. Okay, I got the product. So this is how the product looks like. This is the dropper and this is how the product looks like. So hyaluronic serum, I'm just into these acid kind of skincare, so I wanted to try with a normal one like hyaluronic acid and something like that. So this is basically used to give you hydration than making your skin oily. So I thought to try this out. I'm not very much teacher kind of type in these type acids and all, so I'm really like just into it, and I'm not yet tried this. Like, I just got it yesterday and I'm filming my video today because I had to keep this outside. So, and this is a 30 ml bottle, quite a pretty bottle, and everything details and everything you get it right on the bag over here. So if you want to check it. So guys, the next thing which I got is this L18 lipstick. It's a boomer, guys. So I did not got this. I just don't know, by mistakenly maybe Nykaa has sent me this. And honestly, who doesn't love lipstick? And this is in the shade Nude Fix, and I was so happy when I got this. I was like, मुझे तो ये shade चाहिए था and मुझे मिल गया. So this is how the packaging looks like. I have already done like a few L18 lip swatches in my Instagram, so go ahead and check it. And this is a new collection to that lipstick. So I'll just show you the swatch of this one. It's a pretty nude shade, like for everyday wear. You can definitely go ahead. Like, if you're a college going girl, I would really recommend you to try this lipstick and you're going to love it. This is not fully matte. This is like partially matte. Yeah, so this is the lipstick. It has a glossy effect to it. It's not fully matte. So this is a really nice lipstick, I would say. Like, this is for 75 rupees and it's like a deal, guys. Get it. The packaging is not so sturdy, but the lip shade is amazing. So guys, the last thing which I got is this is my mother's, it's not mine. So this is the Wow Vitamin C face wash, foaming face wash, and this is how the outer packaging looks like. So my mom has already started using this and I requested her to give me the bottle to show you guys. And this is how the bottle looks like. So this comes with a brush and it comes with the cover of the brush like this. So this is how the brush looks like. And my mom, as I said, my mom has started using this and she's liking it. Like, as of now she's liking it. And that was all about the haul, guys. It's totally empty. So this was a teeny tiny Nika haul, mini Nika haul. As you have seen, like these all are my essentials. So I have not got anything unessential stuff right now because मैंने अपने बर्थडे के दिन बहुत ज़्यादा खर्चा कर दिया था मम्मी पापा का. तो I just got some essentials and some of my mother's products or my masi's product. Like again, these products are essential to them as well. So that was all about the haul, guys. I'm not going to waste your time anymore. So guys, if you like this haul, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit like and comment down. And guys, do not forget to follow me on Instagram because I upload a lot of tutorials. Like this tutorial is going to be uploaded, so follow me over there to get some updates of my life and everything. And yeah, do not forget to share this with our friends as well. And till then, stay healthy and stay beautiful. Bye bye.